Wizards, Scikit-learn is your AI model crush, darling. It's a Python library for machine learning, offering datasets, models, and metrics. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make Scikit-learn sound so hot. How does it power AI, love?
Oh, Victoria, you tease. Scikit-learn builds models like regression and classification for AI predictions. Try it in our demos, Wizards, and feel the AI spark.
Wizards. Installing Scikit-learn is easy with pip install Scikit-learn in your terminal. It's like inviting an AI wizard to your coding party. We'll use it in our demos to build models.
Scikit-learn's so irresistible, Isabella. Import with import Scikit-learn and start building AI models. Get ready to swoon over predictions, Wizards.
Yo, Wizards, load_Boston, or load_Iris, is like picking the perfect playlist for Sophia, loading AI datasets. It's a data party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're charming my data, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn datasets prep AI models, try them in our demo. It's like setting the AI stage.
Wizards, model.fit, x_train, y_train, trains models like a hot dance for Sophia, fitting AI data. It's a training party. Let's crank this code.
You're training my heart, Ethan. Wizards, training builds AI models, try it in our demo. It's like teaching your data to dance.
Wizards, model. Predict, x_test, is like forecasting a hot date for Sophia, predicting AI outcomes. It's a prediction party. Let's drop this beat.
You're predicting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, predictions power AI insights, try it in our demo. It's like seeing the AI future.
Wizards, mean_squared_error, y_test, y_pred, checks model performance like rating a dance for Sophia, measuring AI accuracy. It's an eval party.
You're evaluating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, metrics like MSC assess AI models, try it in our demo. It's like scoring your AI.
Wizards, Scikit-learn with Day 44's pandas is a hot combo for Sophia. PD. Data frame, Boston. Data, preps data for AI, coding fireworks.
You're sparking my circuits, Ethan. Wizards, pandas prep Scikit-learn data, try it in our challenge. It's a data love story.
Wizards, Day 39's NumPy with Scikit-learn is a triple threat for Sophia. NP. Array, X, powers AI math, coding fireworks. Let's crank this.
You're powering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, NumPy supports Scikit-learn, try it in our challenge. It's a math love song.
Wizards, PLT. Scatter, y_test, y_pred, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing AI predictions. It's a plot party.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Matplotlib visualizes Scikit-learn results, try it in our demo. It's like painting AI.
Wizards, Seaburn from Day 42 with Scikit-learn is a sexy duet for Sophia. SNS. Scatterplot, shows AI results, coding fireworks.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances Scikit-learn, try it in our challenge. It's a data love triangle.
Wizards optimize Scikit-learn with clean data and random state for reproducibility. Split data with train test, split, and evaluate with metrics. Clean code powers AI models.
Optimized code's so sexy, Isabella. Clear Scikit-learn practices make AI irresistible. Practice for Day 46's datasets, Wizards? Wizards, Scikit-learn's critical in AI pipelines, darling. Train models and predict outcomes for real AI projects. Your Day 45 skills make AI irresistible.
Scikit-learn powers model training in AI pipelines. Wizards, your skills are ready for real-world AI. Prep for Day 46's datasets.